Hey y'all, what's popping? What's up, you guys? It is 2021, y'all. So I just decided to pick up my camera today so we could vlog because it's been a minute. I have a lot of things to do today. I have a date with my girl, Victoria. So we're going on a date. Like, we just want to hang out, have some girl time. And yeah, today is Friday, y'all. So it's high time we had to go. In case you're wondering what I got on my face, I already did wake up, did my morning facial routine because your girl has been breaking out. Y'all know I've been breaking out, but it's reducing now because, whew, child, this is one of the reasons why I had to stop vlogging for a minute, because the breakout was crazy, y'all. It was crazy. It was looking crazy. I had to do something about it. It refused to go for a while. I think this breakout is as a result of birth control. Your girl did try birth control and it wasn't for me, okay? So I broke out around the jaw area. I think Queen Naija said so too. She tried the birth control pills and she broke out around the jaw area. Same reaction I got. So girl had to stop that, okay? So yeah, I had a lot of things. Right now I'm editing a video, y'all. I'm editing a video. Guess you're seeing. I'm editing a video and I just want to get this out of the way so I can upload it to tomorrow or Sunday. I don't know when this is gonna come up, but this vlog is likely to come up this weekend, hopefully on Sunday, because I just want to do a weekend vlog. Just a weekend vlog, just to get you guys up. My frontal looks a mess. Just ignore it. We're gonna fix it later before going out, because I'm obviously going out with this hair, y'all. Okay. So guys, Vicky just picked me up. Queen V.
Hi guys.
So we're going for this is now dinner, right? What time is it? 4:30. So it's now dinner. We're going to the boiler, right?
Yep.
So that's where we're going. We're gonna have some crab legs, some seafood boil. And yeah, talk to you guys when we get there. She's driving. She's driving.
I will give you slap. Oh
my god, this
my
is
God.
so light. Why is your seat so down? What happened? How do you bring it up?
I'm not short. Alright. Someone's about to get drunk.
So why don't I have my own shot? This is a different. This is real fish. You're 5'10". Is it not here?
I'm not 5'10", I'm 5'11". Hey, oh, I'm 6 feet.
Who told you you're 5'11"?
What? Oh no. I think that's the shot. Alright. Someone's about to get drunk.
Guys, we have fish in here. Good. Strong.
Oh my god. This is my first margarita and I'm with you.
So is this strong?
On you.
And this is. Let me just show y'all my crab cakes just came in. And this is
Cheese stick.
cheese steak.
No, cheese sticks.
Cheese stick. So it's just cheese. Ew. So crab cakes for me. What's up, y'all? What's up, you guys? So it is Sunday, y'all. It is Super Bowl Sunday, And the girl is making some food. I'm making some Sunday rice because y'all, I'm an African, I'm Nigerian, and back then in our home we used to do Sunday rice. It's a normal Nigerian tradition. On Sundays we cook rice and stew. So I'm actually making rice and stew right now, y'all, and I can't wait to dig in. It's almost like, let's just say 70% ready. I'm already frying my fish. I got turkey, goat meat, and mackerel fish in here. I already boiled my rice, and I'm actually frying this protein right now. I already got my pepper and onions blended already. Got my onions chopped, and I'm gonna have to blend this tatashi and fresh tomatoes. Today I'm not using. So today I'm not using the paste, like the paste tomatoes. I'm using just fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna blend it, boil it, and sieve it, and yeah, that's just the process. So let me just let's see how dry this is. Ooh, really? This is one thing I hate about frying anything at all. Frying fish or meat. I hate doing that. Oh, this is not dry. Why is it that whenever I'm filming is when my you're getting this, you're gonna buy it for $37.00. And it's this amazing lip balm. I know it's expensive, not too expensive for a lip balm. The least I can get a lip balm for is $5. I've ever gotten a lip balm for is $5, two for $5. This one, and that was Maybelline. This one is Dior, of course. If you adore her, Dior her. So this is a Dior Addict Lip Glow. Mind you, I actually had someone who used to wear this a lot, and every time she applies this lip balm, she actually doesn't do makeup. She wears only this lip balm most of the times when we're running errands. And I had to ask girl, what is that? And she told me it was this lip balm, and your girl had to have it. Like, I've been actually looking for this. The last time I went to the store, I inquired about this, and it was actually sold out. And I had to go back again and check. It has Dior, of course, on there. It's so pretty, it's so cute. I like the packaging, y'all. So this is a lip glow color review balm. It's a hydrating lip balm. Let me see, I guess it is. Okay, it's a color awakening hydrating lip balm. I was correct. So that's it. So y'all, I'm gonna add some spices to the stew, which has already, like the tomatoes has already simmered down. It's done. So you want to apply this as much as you want, y'all. Next up, I'm gonna add this before I say apply. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this curry powder, y'all. There is no stew without curry. Okay, you need all of this for your stew. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this, a little tad bit, not too much because we already added it in the stew. I'm gonna add a little bit. This is the salt I use. A little bit of salt. And this is the Maggi I use, y'all. It's a chicken flavored Nor Maggi. I think this is an African Maggi. We use this in Nigeria, y'all. And you're gonna turn it. Now I'm gonna test it. It needs a little bit of salt and Maggi, an additional Maggi, which is this, y'all. And this is the oil I'm actually using to cook. I'm gonna add the stock from the fish and turkey and goat meat to the stew. And this is what the stock actually looks like. I know I shouldn't be showing, so I've had it in a plate to make it look cute, but you know what? I'm as real as you see, okay? As real as you get, what you see is what you get. So next time we're gonna make it look cuter. Woo, alrighty. tomorrow. Let's just see. Cheers, y'all. Bye. Love you guys. Long time. Mwah.